Hey, Amanda from Tradie Hub and Tradie Guys here, and today I am coming at you with a question. Do you know that it's almost the end of the year? And if you have realized that, what are you going to do about it? How are you going to be reaching out to your database, and what do you plan on saying? So in front of me here, I have an email that we have whipped up as a template using a prompt and using AI to generate the content. So with a few plug and play steps, you fill in a little bit of details about what you've been up to. Have you been married? Did you go on a holiday? What has your business achieved in the past 12 months? Any standout things, staff that have come on board? What are your holiday hours? Also very important. How can people reach you? What can they expect? What's your availability like, and when can they book in with you? As well as a very important call to action. So this is something that I put together in about 5 minutes for our Tradie Hub users. I have full training on how to deploy this. So using the email builder with a prompt that I have ready for our Tradie Hub users to just plug and play a few bits of information, chuck it in here, and then it will give them all of that email content they need. And then that is ready for scheduling. So all of that is available in our exclusive Tradie Academy, which you get access to through Tradie Hub. But yeah, just a little post here to get your brain going as to how are you going to get in touch with your list before the end of the year, make the most of that, squeeze a few more jobs out, and get a little bit more interest. So if you would like any more information about how we can help you with this, please reach out, ask us all your questions. We would love to help you and show you how easy it is to create something like this. Thanks.